one more video with this. With something, this met Lisa Miller from KQ92. She's a beautiful woman. I mean, for her age, she's just a very beautiful woman. So she's gorgeous, just naturally beautiful. She's on KQ92. So let's look at the Coleman ones here. These are kind of cool. I like them. They're basic. I could buy this one. Again, I don't need this. This is my storage area. I bought it. I take it out. Bicycle, fishing rod, golf clubs. So that's all I really need. I have a place to eat. I think that's the shower. Yeah. So that's all I would need right here. I take that out. I don't need that. But I guess for family. I take it out. That's my storage area. So this one I'd buy tomorrow. I like it. It's very simple. Coleman is. Oh. It's 10 grand, not bad at all.
What do you think?
I like it. I'd take those. I would take those beds out,
Yeah.
and I'd make it my storage area.
Yeah, there you go.
Put my bike and stuff in. That's what I would do. I like it. I've always liked Coleman. You guys do good work.
Buy 'em, happy to help.
You betcha. Here's another one. And don't go sleeping on there yet. Now you haven't bought it yet. What do you think, huh? I like it.
We like it.
I like that one because those beds in the corners, I would take the beds out of there and make it my storage area, those beds. No, I would. I'd take them out and put them in, and that way everything can.
Yeah.
But no, I like these. Are perfect for what you need right here. So these are the. Kind of looks like the exit from the back. Interesting to say the least. Huh. They went 20 grand for this, but it's kind of a nice one from the back. Coleman makes nice. I like them. They make some good stuff. 21. I think this is number 6. See, I like this one. Gone would be out of that one. I like it. I like it a lot. I likey. So that, obviously that's the header in there. This one,
You can't get this
I like this one.
This is our private label. That's why we're able to do it, right? But this has the bunks over on the side.
Yeah, I think I remember looking at. I remember looking at this one.
Yeah.
This one's kind of nice.
I thought it might be kind of cool.
From the back, interesting. I don't mind this one. I like the other one. I mean, I get this, but I just take that out and put my stuff in there. Be storage up here. But I get it. It's nice. Very simple. I think this is the bathroom. It's got to be a small bathroom. Oh my goodness. There's a shower at the same time. That's a tough squeeze for the cowboy, but I get it. I know they're trying something different here, it looks like, but not bad. Now let's go over here. I love these awnings, they're nice. See, these are all one level, which I like. Yeah, this is a nice one. Again, take it out, storage room. This is a nice one. Not bad at all. Nice bathroom. I like it. I don't know if that needed or not. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you could put this over there. Maybe put the TV up in here. But still, I like it. It's roomy. I like it. It's Gulfport approved. Oh, not bad for 28,000. I mean, obviously it's 22. That's nice. Nice one to pull. They're all one level, which I like. Not breaking your neck. This one is 33, 24, whatever. This was open. I like this one. Storage area. The refrigerator. Nice big bed. The header's in here. Nice size. I don't mind it. It's nice. I love the open floor pan. So nice. So. Oh. All right. This one is 29 grand, 30 grand, whatever. Like kind of down here, I like it. You can sit down here with your friends, kind of like it. Yeah, nice. This is a nice one. Oh my goodness, not bad. Open bathroom. Not bad. I like Coleman. They do good work. You guys do good work, man, Coleman. So. Oh. Yeah, this will be the last video on this battery. So, one thing about this, I can get a lot more videos per battery on here, so. It makes a lot of. Coleman ones look nice. 31. See, that's one level. That's a huge TV. Nice. I like it. I like it. Like it. One level, no stairs. Very nice. Yep, they get it right. Man, if I'm gonna buy one, this is nice. I like the way it works. I like the way it flows. Open. So I just like the ones that have the corner of the bunks in there. You take those bunks out. Not bad, 44,000. Nice. So that one over there is 38, Coleman. This was a long one, oh my goodness. This one is 54,000, holy moly. I like that, kind of cool. Got your kitchen in here, so let's look. Shall we? Shall we? Join me. Yeah. So yeah, you can take these out, and then you can put whatever they want. Storage area. Nice. I can stand up inside these suckers. Not bad. Not bad at all. That brown is like, I don't know. Whatever. But take a picture of this bad boy. Not bad. Nice little kitchen right here. Sit down right there. Boom. And multitask, man. We're gonna take a picture of that. Perfect. All right, let's cruise along here. All right, I'll kill myself here. So we're gonna take a picture of this sucker right here. We'll go over here to Forest River.
Okay, yeah, so this is...
These are more fun. $31. Had 18 grand off. Holy moly. 2026. That's expensive for 1,000. Again, you're in. You've got your sleeping quarters right here. I don't know. I don't mind this. I just like that storage area. It's a nice bathroom. I think it's a little overpriced for no storage area for anything. I like it. Don't get me wrong. I get it. I'm not worried about storage stuff. I have my pickup truck or whatever. I get it, but I'll work my way down here. Oh, 29. That's 30 grand for this pig. Oh my goodness. That'd be a bitch to pull, but it's better than the Class A. 34 inches long, 6,500 pounds. I've never heard of these before. Must be a new Salem. I've never heard of these before. Interesting. 44. 30 grand. Oh, nice. I like this one. Storage area. That's what I like. Boom. Out. Gone. But this is for a family, but that's my storage area. Nice. I like it. I could see me pulling this one if I'm going to be down in Arizona by myself for the whole summer. Absolutely. I can see that. You know, what the hell? Sure, I can see it. But I don't know. I like it. I like it. We're gonna take a picture here real quick. You can move both ways. Down to 5%, anyways, guys. We're gonna keep moving on here, and what we'll do. We'll put a new battery in this pig. That's a nice bed. Nice. So yeah, I like this one. My favorite right here so far. I like it. Wide open. I'm a single guy. I can pull this and be tied like I'm in Maya. Maybe. Perfect. Nice big bathroom. Perfect. All right. We'll see you guys next one.